Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video test with the Zenfone 9. Super steady is what we got going here for stabilization. Should be super smooth. Everything should look very steady and the video quality should be amazing. I'm gonna jog down these stairs holding my Zenfone 9 in my right hand, not using two hands, just one. Steady walk. We are at 1080p, 60 frames per second. I'm going to jog. Now I'm just going to walk. I'm at work. It's lunchtime. Got 15 minutes left, and I figured I'd shoot a little video. Again, the Zenfone 9, 1080p, 60 frames per second, super steady. And yeah, everything should be super steady. I'm gonna run across the street here. All right, let's do a little zoom action here. Bam. Oh, that is so freaking smooth. Look at that, folks. Boom. Boom. Bam. All right, I'm loving it. All right. It's good to take a walk on my lunch. I need to start walking more. All right, let's run across this street here. And wow, that is just simply beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Let me know, man, how everything looks. Video quality, how everything sounds, the audio quality that's being fed into your ears. And of course, super steady. 6AXIS gimbal. Look at that cacti. All right, everybody. That's it. I'm done. God bless you. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.